Welcome back guys, another YouTube video. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain about crypto wallets. How are they working? How do you access them? How do you use them? So stay with me till to the end of this video. We'll have learned a lot about crypto wallets. Now this is Crypto Devs, your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe, plus commenting down in the description about what have you learned in this video, or what videos would you like us to make in the nearby future. Don't forget also to hit the links in the description, follow us on our social media platforms, plus signing up with our reliable crypto broker, which is Binance Limited. Now without wasting time, I want this video not to be too long. I want to briefly explain or give you the high quality wallet you need to use for you to keep your cryptocurrencies safe. Now crypto wallets keep your private keys, the passwords that give you access to their cryptocurrencies, safety and accessibility, allowing you to send and receive money or coins. Now the use of crypto wallets is like, if you have to keep money, you keep money in the banks. So you have to go in the bank and create a bank account which you're going to use to keep your money. Same to cryptocurrencies. If you are to invest in cryptocurrencies, you can either keep your money on wallets or exchanges or cold wallet, hardware wallets like nano ledgers. Now in today's video I'm going to be explaining more about crypto wallets. Now crypto wallets, these are like sort of like applications which you can access by creating an account using your Gmail account, using your own created password. You can also be using your username as well. So after you creating an account with this specific crypto wallet, that means you'll be able to send and transfer, send and receive, plus storing your cryptocurrencies. The main issue of a crypto wallet is to store your assets. Which assets? Coins. What are coins? These are cryptocurrencies. Now you'll find in this specific video I've brought you cryptocurrencies whereby you'll be able to invest or keep cryptocurrencies over 1000 cryptocurrencies and above. Now the first wallet which I have on my list is Coinbase. Coinbase is an exchange, at the same time is a wallet. So an exchanger is a semi-decentralized platform whereby you can trade on it, at the same time you can store your assets on that specific exchanger. So if you are using an exchanger, let me say like Binance, now when you're using Binance you can trade on it first. Secondly, you can use Binance by investing in your currencies and you keep them in that specific exchanger. So that's the same way to Coinbase. Coinbase is an exchanger based in the USA, but this main exchanger you can use it for trading, at the same time you can use it like a wallet, Coinbase exchange or Coinbase wallet, to keep your cryptocurrencies. The second one which we highly recommend is a trust wallet. A trust wallet is a specific wallet which is also enabling you to buy and sell coins on it by the use of the decentralized exchanges like Pancake or Uniswap. So for you to access Trust Wallet, you have to go on the website of Trust Wallet, create an account with Trust Wallet. They will give you what they call private backup keys, which you will use to encrypt another. It can be a new device, it can be if you have lost like your iPad or smartphone or anything. So use these private keys to back up your wallet. So the last one which I have on my list, it is called a blockchain wallet. If you look on wallets which are highly secure to keeping your assets, we also recommend you to use blockchain wallet. So all these wallets I've tried to break down, you can go to Google and search about them, plus creating accounts on them. You can also go to either Play Store or Apple Store to download their applications. So thank you guys for those who have made to the end of this video. If you are highly recommended to use wallets, we are telling you to choose among these three crypto wallets we have told you to use, but our highly recommended wallet is Trust Wallet at the moment if you are to keep your cryptocurrencies. So don't forget to like and subscribe, plus sharing this video and also commenting down in the description, plus following us on our social media platforms, signing up with our reliable crypto broker. All the links will be down in the description. So guys, don't watch this video and you don't subscribe. Please subscribe.